The overall goal of this imaging protocol is to visualize multiple proteins in an activated T cell using single-molecule localization microscopy.
This method can help answer key questions in the T cell activation field, such as the single-molecule distribution of TCR microcluster components. The main advantage of this technique is that it allows greater multiplexing than achieved by current super-resolution microscopy methods.
To begin, directly conjugate antibodies with Alexa 647 dye using the Alexa 647 antibody labeling kit, following the labeling protocol provided by the manufacturer. Centrifuge the labeled antibodies for 5 minutes at 20,800 times G. Following centrifugation, collect the supernatant to remove the aggregated antibodies. Next, coat 8-well cover slip chambers with 250 microliters of 0.01% polyl-lysine for 15 minutes. Then, aspirate the solution without rinsing, and dry the chambers at 65 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Prepare a dilution of 100 nanometer fluorescent nanodiamonds, or FNDs, in 1x PBS. Test various dilutions to ensure that enough FNDs will be visible in each field. Vortex the diluted FNDs for 1 minute. Next, sonicate the FND supernatant for 30 seconds at a high power setting. Incubate the sonicated FND supernatant in a poly-L-lysine-coated 8-well cover slip chamber for 30 minutes at room temperature. After washing the chamber 5 times with 1x PBS, visualize the FND-coated chamber using 647 nanometer laser excitation on the TURF microscope.